To deposit a check with Wells Fargo Mobile Deposit, start by ensuring you have the Wells Fargo mobile app installed on your device and that you are enrolled in Wells Fargo online banking. Open the app and sign on with your username and password. Next, select the Deposit tab at the bottom of the screen and choose the account where you want to deposit the check. You will then need to enter the amount of the check and select the front and back of the check to take a picture of it using your device's camera. When taking the picture, make sure the check is on a flat surface. The check is endorsed with your signature, and the check is not folded or torn. The app will guide you through the process of taking and reviewing the images of the check. After you have taken the pictures, review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct, including the account number, check amount, and check images. If everything is correct, select Submit to send the deposit to Wells Fargo for processing. You will then receive a confirmation that your deposit has been received and is being processed. Keep the check for 5 days after the deposit, and then you can void the check and destroy it. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Wells Fargo Mobile Deposit include ensuring your device is running the latest operating system and the Wells Fargo app is up to date. Keeping your check in a safe place until the deposit is confirmed, and monitoring your account to ensure the deposit is credited correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely deposit checks using Wells Fargo Mobile Deposit, saving you time and eliminating the need to visit a bank branch or ATM. This service is available 24/7, making it a convenient option for managing your finances on the go.